Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing how to preserve your pan kernel for a long time. As we all know, you can use your pan kernel to prepare your ofa, soup or anything that you like. Please continue watching because this method will be so useful, especially for people who are far away from home and you're opportune to have your pan fruit. First step on how to preserve your pan fruit is to boil the pan fruit until soft and tender. You can add salt if you like. When the pan fruit is properly cooked, I will drain to remove the water, then set aside. If you want to use food processor to pound your pan fruit, just add it little by little. Then you can use the pause setting. When I'm done, I will set aside. Another method, you can use your mortar to pound the pan fruit. When I'm done pounding the pan fruit, I will set aside and start packaging it. Done pounding all the pan fruit, I'll be storing them in a Ziploc bag. I will carefully add according to how I would like to be using the pan fruit into the Ziploc bag. When I'm done adding it into the Ziploc bag, I will zip it up and set aside. The same process until I'm finished storing all the pan fruit into the bag. When I'm done packaging all the pan fruit, I will clean it up, then add them into my freezer and allow it to freeze for a long time. As long as there is constant electricity, it will remain fresh. Pan kernel from the freezer, you can set aside and allow to defrost. I hope that this video is helpful. Thank you all for watching.